Hello, good evening, Devang, Raktim, Ondini, Vaipsha. Can you people hear me?
Good evening, sir.
Yes. Okay, let us continue. Last day we were doing. Okay. Last day we were doing limits. Let us continue, everyone. Yes, good evening, Shamita. Can you hear me?
Good evening, sir.
Okay. Last day we were doing limits. Let us continue. Okay, this was the last sum we had done. Tan 2 theta by 2 theta. Okay. So let us continue. Okay. Let me see. Okay. Today let us continue expansion of functions. Okay. Expansion of functions. Expansion of functions. Already we have done expansion of functions in binomial theorem, if you remember, Taylor and Maclaurin series. Okay, sin x. Sin x is equal to x minus x cubed by 3 factorial. Okay, and how do we expand? Using Maclaurin series. Right, do people remember? Sin x equal to x minus x cubed by 3 factorial plus x to power 5 by 5 factorial dot up to infinity for all x belongs to real. Okay, part B. Cos x. Cos x will be equal to 1 minus x square by 2 factorial plus x power 4 by 4 factorial dot up to infinity for all x belongs to real. Okay, next. Tan x. Tan x will be equal to 1 plus x cube by 3 plus 2 by 15 into x power 5. Okay, just remember the first three terms. That is enough. Okay. Sorry, it's not 1 x by 3 plus dot for all x belongs to real. Next, ln 1 plus x. ln 1 plus x will be equal to x minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3. Okay. Dot up to infinity. For all, for mod of x less than 1. Okay. If anyone needs a proof, let me know. ln 1 minus x. ln 1 minus x will be equal to minus x square by 2 minus x cube by 3. Okay, dot up to infinity for mod of x greater than 1. Sorry, for mod of x less than 1. Same thing. Okay. Part F, 1 plus x whole to the power 1 by x. 1 plus x whole to the power 1 by x will be equal to e into 1 minus x by 2 plus 11 by 24 x square. Okay, the first three terms are very important, everyone. If you remember the first three terms, it is done. Okay, let us see the proof of this one. Okay, 1 plus x whole to the power 1 by x. Let us see the proof. Okay, so 1 plus x whole to the power 1 by x. Can I write it as e to the power 1 by x into ln 1 plus x? Tell me, everyone. Are you people getting yes or no? Tell me, Andini, Devank, Raktim, are you people getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Aipsha, are you getting? Shamita,
Yes,
are
sir.
you getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Wait. E to the power 1 by x into ln 1 plus x. And what is the expansion of ln 1 plus x? Tell me, everyone. What is the expansion? Just now we have seen, right? What is the expansion of ln 1 plus x? It will be equal to e to the power 1 by x within brackets. Ln 1 plus x will be equal to x minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3. Only write down the first three terms. Okay. X square by 3 dot up to infinity. So this will become e to the power 1 by x into x will become 1 minus x by 2 plus x square by 3 dot like this it goes on. Further, can we write it as e to the power e into e to the power minus x by 2 plus x square by 3. Okay. So let us expand. Again, we know e to the power x expansion. Okay. 1 plus x square by 2 factorial. So this will become e into within brackets 1 plus minus x by 2 plus x square by 3. Okay. 1 plus x square by 2. Only write down the first three terms, you'll get the result. Plus x by 2 plus, sorry, minus x by 2 plus x square by 3 whole square into 1 by 2 factorial dot up to infinity. Tell me, are people getting? If there's anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Tell me. Tell me, Aisha, Onini, Raktim, Shwamita, are people getting? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this will become e into 1 plus. So let us write down the coefficients. 1. What is the coefficient of x? It will be minus half. So 1 minus x by 2. For x square, what will it be? It will be plus x square by 3. And over here, plus x square by 8. Tell me, are people getting? Plus dot up to infinity. So when you simplify, this will become e into 1 minus x by 2 plus 11x square by 24 dot up to infinity. Tell me. If there's anyone having any doubt, you can ask me now. Next. And our next expansion is e to the power x. E to the power x is 1 plus x square by 2 factorial plus dot up to infinity. Next. This is number G. Okay, number H. A to the power x. A to the power x will be equal to 1 plus x ln a plus x ln a whole square by 2 factorial plus dot up to infinity. Next. Proof can be done. All the proofs can be done using Maclaurin's expansion. Using Maclaurin series. Hello, good evening, Ritam. Can you hear me?
Good evening, sir. Yes, I can.
Ritam, you joined so late. What happened?
Sir, my mother is outside. She took some time to send the link.
Okay. Using Maclaurin series, everyone pay attention. F of x will be equal to f of 0 plus f dash 0 by 2 factorial plus f double dash 0 by 3 factorial plus dot. It goes on like this. Next. Next, exponential functions. Pay attention, everyone. Exponential functions. Exponential functions. Okay. Number one, limit x tends to 0. Limit x tends to 0, a to the power x minus 1 by x will be equal to ln a. This can be proved using expansions. Okay.
Sir, can you show the last expansion once?
Yes. For a greater than 0. All these proofs can be done using expansions. Hello, good evening, Debatri. Can you hear me?
Sir, I actually thought the class was from 9:30 to 2.
Oh, actually, yesterday somebody asked me. I told that the class is 9 from 9 today. Right. Somebody asked me, right? Who asked?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir. I then
Okay.
remembered and then.
Okay. Okay. No problem. Acha, see, I have decided that, I mean, whenever you people, all of you are not going to school on Wednesday, then I'll extend the class up to 12, or else I'll end by 11:30, 11:20, 11:30, I'll end it. Okay. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes.
Okay. How many of you have how many of you have early morning school? Tell me. Early morning is in 7, 6, 7,
Sir, I have early morning school.
Sir, I
early
do.
morning. Okay. Okay, then whenever you are not going to school on Wednesday, then only I'll extend. Otherwise, I'll end by 11:30 most probably. Okay. Number two. So what is limit x tends to 0? E to the power x minus 1 by x. Tell me. What is limit x tends to 0? E to the power x minus 1 by x. 1. ln e will be 1. Number 3. So limit x tends to infinity. What is x into e to the power 1 by x minus 1? Tell me. This will be equal to 1. Right. Tell me everyone. Because if x is tending to infinity, 1 by x will tend to 0 only. Okay, argument is tending to 0. That is enough. Part 4, limit x tends to 0. ln 1 plus x by x will be equal to 1. Okay, we just need to check the coefficient of x. For example, everyone, if I want to find out limit x tends to 0, e to the power 4x minus 1 upon tan x. So in order to convert it into standard limit, this will be equal to e to the power 4x minus 1 by 4x. Next, since I have divided by 4x, I'll have to multiply by 4x divided by tan x. Okay, now see everyone. This tan x by x, this will be equal to 1 and this will also be equal to 1. So this will become 1 into 4. Tell me. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me, which is 4. Okay, next. So everyone, let us do some problems. Question number 1, part 1. Limit x tends to 0, e to the power tan x minus e to the power x upon tan x minus x. Solve. Part 2. Limit x tends to 0, e to the power x square minus cos x upon x square. Part 3. Limit x tends to 0. Limit x tends to 0, a to the power x plus h plus a to the power x minus h minus 2a to the power x upon h square. Solve. Okay, let me start with the first one, everyone. You people see tan x minus x is there in the denominator.
Sir, I'm sending.
Send, send, send. I'm waiting. See, tan x minus the x is there in the denominator. You just need to convert it in the form of e to the power theta minus 1 divided by theta, where theta is tending to 0. That's it. Once you convert it in the form of e to the power theta minus 1 upon theta, it will become 1.
Sir, I've sent.
Checking. Devang, first one is correct. Devang, second one is correct. Third one is also correct.
Sent you the first one.
Yes. Oipsha, first one is correct. Raktim, first one is correct. Devatri, first one is correct. Okay, so I think only Onini is left. Onini, pay attention. Over here, if I take e to the power x as common, limit x tends to 0. E to the power x as common. What are we getting? E to the power tan x minus x minus 1 by e to the power by tan x minus x. Okay, if you are taking e to the power x as common. Tell me, are you getting Onini?
Sir, that's a 1.
Answer is 1.
Yeah, okay, sir, I got it now.
This will be equal to 1. Yes, quickly solve part 2. Yes, part 2, Ritam, is your answer is correct. Yes, Shamta, part 2 is correct. Aisha, part 2 is correct. Quickly solve part 2, everyone. Just try to convert it into standard form as far as possible. Yes, already part 2 is correct. Part 2, everyone pay attention. What you do is, see, denominator is x square. So what you do is you subtract 1 and add 1. You'll get the result. So I need e to the power x square minus 1. Everyone pay attention. I need e to the power x square minus 1. This will become limit x tends to 0. E to the power x square minus 1 plus 1 minus cos x upon x square. See, this will become 1 and this will become half. So see, it will become 1 plus half, which is 3 by 2. 3 by 2. Okay, everyone solve part 3. Yes, Ritam, did you understand part 2?
Yes, sir.
And Devatri, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so everyone see part 3. Okay, I think you people can realize that it can be made a perfect square. Let's see. Can it be made a perfect square? This is part 3. So I've got 8 to the power x plus h plus 8 to the power x minus h minus 2ax to 8 to the power x by h square. Okay, so over here, can I write it as, wait a minute. Okay, you take 8 to the power x common. 8 to the power x common, we'll get 8 to the power x plus 8 to the power minus h minus 2 divided by h square. Okay, so see, this will become a perfect square. Can I write it as limit h tends to 0, 8 to the power x into 8 to the power h by 2 whole square plus 1 by 8 to the power h by 2 whole square minus 2. The whole thing is divided by h square. Okay, now this becomes limit h tends to 0, okay, 8 to the power x into 8 to the power h by 2 minus 1 by 8 to the power h by 2 whole square. Okay, from the numerator, if you take 8 to the power h by 2 common, I mean as the denominator, what are we going to get? Limit h tends to 0, 8 to the power x, 8 to the power h by 2 will come outside, it will become 8 to the power h. Within brackets, you are going to get 8 to the power h minus 1 whole square divided by h square. See, this is the standard limit. Okay, so when you substitute, okay, everyone, when you substitute, what are you going to get? 8 to the power h minus 1 whole square by h square, that will become ln a whole square. So it will become 8 to the power x into ln a whole square. Tell me. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. I'll explain. Next, our next topic is want to tell me. Is it clear to everyone? Raktim, Devank, Devank, you have done it. Abhisha, is it clear? Debatri, Shaumita,
Yes, sir.
Ritam, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Next, next. Our next form is very, very, very important. If you see PYQs, you'll find a lot of questions on this form. That is 1 to the power infinity indeterminate form. 1 to the power infinity indeterminate form. Pay attention. So I've got limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x whole to the power 1 by x. Okay. This will be equal to e, which is equal to limit x tends to infinity, 1 plus 1 by x. Instead of x, it will be 1 by x whole to the power x. Okay. They both are same. Okay. They both will tend to infinity. Let us see the proof. How are we getting limit as infinity? So everyone, let L be equal to limit h tends to 0, f to the power g. Okay, where f is equal to 1 plus x and g is equal to x. Sorry, 1 by x. So everyone, let us take log on both sides. Ln L will be equal to limit h tends to 0 ln f to the power g. Okay, so g will come outside. It will become g into ln f. So it is ln f, sorry, ln L will be equal to limit h tends to 0 g into ln f. Okay, this implies ln L will be equal to limit h tends to 0 g into ln of 1 plus f minus 1. Because see, I have to convert it into this form, ln 1 plus x by x. Are people getting? Whenever you get ln, you always think about ln 1 plus x. So I've added 1 and subtracted 1. Now see, in order to convert it into standard form, we have to divide it by f minus 1. But we have divided by f minus 1, so we have to multiply by f minus 1. So this implies ln L will be equal to limit h tends to 0 g into ln of f minus 1. Sorry, g into f minus 1. Now what is g? Everyone, what have we taken for g? G is 1 by x. G is 1 by x and f is 1 plus x. 1 plus x minus 1. Okay. Now see, 1 gets cancelled, x gets cancelled. We'll get L will be equal to e to the power 1. That is e. Hence proved. Tell me, is it clear to everyone how limit x tends to 0? X into 1 plus x, sorry, 1 plus x whole to the power 1 by x is equal to e. Next, everyone, can someone tell me what is limit h tends to 0 and tends to infinity cos h whole to the power n? Tell me, raise your hand. What do you think? Limit h tends to 0 and tends to infinity cos h whole to the power n. Can anyone tell me? Raise your hand. Think about it. H is tending to 0 and n is tending to infinity. Raise your hand. Tell me. Tell me, anyone. We are halfway through limits. I hope you people can answer this. When h is tending to 0, where will cos h tend to? Tell me, everyone. At least tell me this. Where is cos h
1.
tend to? 1. Will it be greater than 1 or less than 1? What do you think? Will it be less than 1? So it will become limit n tends to infinity, something less than 1 whole to the power n. Now tell me, what is the value?
The 0.
0.
0. Now tell me, what is limit s tends to 0 and tends to infinity? Sec h whole to the power n. So if you have understood the first one, you must have understood this one as well. Tell me, what is limit h tends to 0 and tends to infinity sec h whole to the power n? Tell me. Tell me, everyone. This will tend to infinity, right? What happened? Are the people having difficulty in understanding? Tell me. Okay. Tell me, Oipsha, is it clear? Oipsha, Onini, Devatri, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Devang, Ritam, Shomita, is it
Yes,
clear?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
then
sir.
everyone reply. Tell me whether you have understood or not. Next, if limit x tends to a, f to the power g is given. I'm going to generalize it, okay? G is given, where f is tending to 1 and g is tending to infinity. Where f is tending to 1 and g is tending to infinity, then we can write it as, then we can write it as number 1. limit x tends to a e to the power g into ln f, or we can also write it as number 2, e to the power limit x tends to a e to the power limit x tends to a g into ln f. Okay, so everyone, I just converted it into exponential form. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. So let us convert it into standard form. So I've got ln f. In order to convert ln f into standard form, what do we need to do? Tell me, everyone. In order to convert ln f into standard form, what do we need to do? Tell me. Hmm? Tell me. Whenever you are getting logarithmic expression, what do we need to do? Tell me. To convert it into standard form. It should be ln 1 plus f, right? What happened, everyone? Are you people paying attention? It will be 1 plus f minus 1, and then we need to divide by f minus 1, multiplied by f minus 1. Now see, everyone, this is the standard form. So it will become 1. So it will become e to the power limit x tends to a. Limit x tends to a g into f minus 1. Tell me, are you people getting? Yes or no? Tell me, Onini, is it clear? Devang, Raktim, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shamita, have you understood?
Yes.
Okay, for example, everyone. For example, if I want to solve limit x tends to 0, 1 plus 2x whole to the power 5 by x. How will we solve? So see, everyone, when you substitute 0, this is 1 to the power infinity form. Okay, so you can directly write it as e to the power limit x tends to 0, 5 by x into 1 plus 2x minus 1. So see, everyone, 1 gets cancelled, x gets cancelled, you will get e to the power 10. Done. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, let us do some problems, everyone. Question number 2. Question number 2, part 1. Limit x tends to 0, ln 1 plus x by 3 to the power x minus 1. Okay, part 2. Limit x tends to e, ln x minus 1 by x minus e. Part 3. Limit x tends to 1, 1 plus x by 2 plus x whole to the power 1 minus root x upon 1 minus x. Solve. Part 4. Limit x tends to infinity, x by x plus 1 whole to the power x. Solve. Okay, Raktim, this is the answer of first one.
Yes, sir.
How are you getting this answer? Can you send?
So once you're sending the correct answer, I made a slight mistake.
Devang, part 1 is correct. Part 2 is correct. Shamta, part 1 is correct. Yes, Raktim, now it is correct. Ritam, your answer is correct. Aipsha, your answer is correct. Shamita, part 2 is correct. Yes, on any should I solve?
So I'm sending it.
Send quickly. Yes, on any right answer. Okay, everyone, let us start. Only this is the answer of which part? Part?
So two.
Part 2 is correct. Shamita, part 4 is correct. Everyone, let us start. 2 part 1. 2 part 1. Let us convert it into standard form. This will become limit x tends to 0. Yes, Ritam, your answer is correct. ln 1 plus x. ln 1 plus x. Then we have to divide it by x to convert it into standard form. So multiplied by x divided by 3 to the power x minus 1. See, this part will become 1 by ln 3. So finally, you are going to get 1 into 1 by ln 3. Tell me, Devatri, is it clear? So this can also be written as log 3 to the base, log e to the base 3. Okay, the answer can be given in this form as well. Next, ln x minus 1 upon x minus e. Pay attention. So everyone, it's better to differentiate everyone using L'Hopital. Okay, tell me. Without L'Hopital or with L'Hopital? Tell me. This one? Should I do it without L'Hopital or with L'Hopital? Okay, let us do it with L'Hopital only. This will become limit x tends to e. Okay, let us differentiate. You will get 1 by x divided by 1. So you substitute e, you will get 1 by e. Done. Part 2. Okay, part 3, everyone. When you substitute x equal to 1, this is not 1 to the power infinity form. Okay. But see, the power is an indeterminate form. So that we have to remove. Over here, the power is an indeterminate form. So what you do is, You factorize limit x tends to 1 plus x divided by 2 plus x, whole to the power 1 minus root over x upon 1 minus root over x multiplied by 1 plus root over x. Okay. So these two will get cancelled. When you substitute x equal to 1, you are going to get 2 by 3 whole to the power half, which is equal to root over 2 by 3. Okay. Next, part 4. Part 4, everyone. Over here, you will see that this is 1 to the power infinity form. When you substitute infinity, this is 1 to the power infinity form. Okay. So what you do is you apply e to the power. Therefore, limit is equal to e to the power limit x tends to infinity g into f minus 1. That is x into x by 1 plus x minus 1. So what are you getting, everyone? This will be equal to e to the power limit x tends to infinity x into minus 1 by 1 plus x. Okay. Okay. So this will become e to the power minus 1. That is 1 by e. Okay. Tell me, anyone having any doubt, you can ask me now. Tell me. Debatri, have you understood all of them?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Only is it clear? Rakti, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. Let us continue, everyone. Okay. So try this out, everyone. Question number 3, part 1. Just keep on converting it into standard forms, everyone. Limit x tends to 0, e to the power ln 1 plus x by x minus 1 upon ln 1 plus x by x minus 1. Solve. Part 2. Part 2 is very important, everyone. These kind of questions have been repeated in the past. Limit x tends to 0, 1 minus 3 to the power x minus 4 to the power x plus 12 to the power x upon root over 2 cos x plus 7 minus 3. These questions have been repeated. I mean, this type of question have been repeated in the past in mains and WBJE as well. Limit x tends to 0, cos x e to the power x minus cos of x e to the power minus x. The whole thing is divided by x cubed. Solve. See, first one is very easy, everyone. Yes, Raktim, your answer is correct. Devank, your answer is correct. Panini, your answer is correct. Yes, Ritam, your answer is correct. Yes. Ipsha, your answer is correct. See, everyone, identify the form. It is looking like e to the power theta minus 1 upon theta minus 1. Just you have to check whether theta tends to 0 or not. See, ln1 by x, ln1 plus x by x will be equal to 1. 1 minus 1, that is 0 only. So see, the argument tends to 0. So what will be the value of this expression? Tell me. Yes, the Debatri, are you getting? Over here, if you take theta is equal to ln 1 plus x, ln 1 plus x upon x minus 1, then theta tends to 0 as x tends to 0.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what are we getting? We'll get limit theta tends to 0 e to the power theta minus 1 upon theta, which is equal to 1. Done. Next. Try the second one, everyone. Okay, on any check your answer again. Everyone, I'm starting with the second one. Pay attention. Are you people able to see that the numerator can be factorized? Okay, this is part 2. Are you people able to see that the numerator can be factorized? And the denominator, we have to use rationalization because there is a root. Okay, so let's factorize and rationalize everyone. Limit extends to 0. 1 minus 3 to the power x. You take minus 4 to the power x common, you'll get 1 minus 3 to the power x. Divided by root 2 cos x plus 7 minus 3. Let us rationalize. Okay, so this will become root 2 cos x. Okay, root 2 cos x plus 7 plus 3 divided by 2 cos x plus 7 minus 9. So everyone, this will become limit x tends to 0. Okay, the numerator we are going to get 1 minus 3 to the power x into 1 minus 4 to the power x. Okay, in order to convert it into standard form, we have to divide it by x square. So let's divide it by x square. Multiplied by x square. 2 cos x plus 7 minus 9, that will become 2 cos x minus 2. Okay, so see everyone, this will also convert it into standard form. And over here, we are left out with root over 2 cos x plus 7 plus 3. Okay, next everyone pay attention. This whole thing will become ln 3 into ln 4. Actually, it should be
Sir,
minus ln 3.
can you please explain from the beginning once more, actually?
Okay, pay attention. So Devank, over here, this numerator can be factorized. 1 minus 3 to the power x. Right? If you take minus
Yes,
4
sir.
to the power x common, if you take minus 4 to the power x common, you'll get 1 minus 3 to the power x into 1 minus 4 to the power x, right? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
So in order to convert it into standard form, we have to divide it by x square, right? 1x below 1 minus 3 to the power x and 1x below 1 minus 4 to the power x, right?
Yes, sir.
Multiplied by x square. Okay.
Okay, understood. Understood.
Now this one will become a standard form again, right? If you take 2 common, so multiplied by x square by 2 common cos x minus 1. So what is 1 minus cos x upon x square, everyone? Tell me. What is limit x tends to 0? 1 minus cos x upon x square. Tell me. Tell me, everyone. What is limit x tends to
So
0? 1. Hmm?
so minus on the whole thing.
Minus 1. This thing. Tell me. Limit x tends to 0. 1 minus cos x
Sir, I
upon
will-
x square.
I am including that 2. So that's why.
Oh,
So
forget
1
about 2.
minus cos x equal to
First of
2.
all, tell me. Raktim, I'm asking you this. You are telling me something else.
This is half, I think.
This is half. Okay. So x square by cos x minus 1 will become minus 2, right? Tell me. So this will become minus ln3. Minus will become plus ln3 into ln4 into minus 2 by 2. Okay. Multiplied by, when you substitute cos x equal to 0, this will become 3 plus 3. So finally, you are going to get minus 6 ln3 into ln4. Tell me. Is it clear to everyone? Tell me. Anini, Oipsha, Ritam, Devang,
Yes, sir.
Shwamita,
Yes,
Debatri, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If there's anyone having any doubt in any step, let me know. If you are unable to understand any step, I'll explain. Tell me. Try this out. Cos x e to the power x. Okay, everyone, let us start. So first of all, I'm going to use cos c minus cos d formula. Anyone remembers cos c minus cos d? Tell me. Anyone remembers cos c minus cos d? So this will become limit x tends to 0. Cos c minus cos d will become 2 sine c plus d by 2. That is x e to the power x plus x e to the power minus x divided by 2. Okay. Into sine t minus c by 2. So sine of x e to the power minus x e to the power x divided by 2. So let's start converting them into standard form. Okay. In order to convert them into standard form, we have to divide it by this whole thing. But when you are dividing by this whole thing, you have to multiply by this whole thing also. Okay. Tell me, are you people getting? Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Let us multiply by this whole thing. And then you have to divide it by. Okay. This should be minus. This should be minus. Okay. And x e to the power minus x. X e to the power x. This will be e to the power minus x. This will be e to the power x. Divided by x cube. So see, 1x will get cancelled from the numerator and denominator. Okay. Next, this whole thing will become 1. This whole thing will become 1. So finally, you are going to get 2 into over there. E to the power x over here, if you take e to the power, I mean, we can use a plus b into a minus b formula. This will become e to the power minus 2x minus e to the power 2x divided by 4x. So everyone, 2 by 4, this will go by 2. Okay, so you are getting half into, if you take e to the power 2x common, no, sorry, e to the power minus 2x common, you'll get 1 minus e to the power 4x upon 2x. So over here, we need to multiply and divide it by 2. So it will be half into 2 into e to the power minus 2x into 1 minus e to the power 4x upon 4x. Now we know that 1 minus e to the power x, e to the power 4x upon 4x will become minus 1. So this whole thing is minus 1. Tell me, are you people getting, or should I explain? This whole thing is minus 1. Okay. So finally, what are we getting? Wait, the answer is not matching. Hmm. 1 minus e to the power 4x upon 4x. 1 by 2, where is this 1 by 2 coming from? Okay, wait. Let me do this step once again, okay? So I've got 2 times 2. Okay, this will become, now we need to multiply and divide by 2. So 2 e to the power minus 2x multiplied by 1 minus e to the power 4x upon e to the power 4x upon 4x. So this whole thing will become minus 1. This will become minus 2. Tell me, is it clear to everyone? This whole thing will become minus 1. And finally, you are going to get minus 2. Tell me, Shwamita, Raktim, Devank, Ondini, is it clear? Aisha, is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'll try one more method, method 2. Okay. Using 1 minus cos x by x square. Okay. Let's see whether that method will be a little bit less time taking or not. Let's see. So in order to use that method, I need to add and subtract 1. Let's see. Okay. So I'm going to add and subtract 1. Minus 1 plus 1. So it will become cos x e to the power x minus 1 plus 1 minus cos x e to the power minus x. The whole thing is divided by x cubed. Okay, let us start using it. Okay, this will become cos x e to the power x minus 1 by, okay, so in order to convert it into standard form, this has to be x e to the power x whole square multiplied by x e to the power x whole square. The whole thing is divided by x cubed. Okay, next plus 1 minus cos x e to the power minus x divided by x square. So x square x e to the power minus x whole square multiplied by x e to the power minus x whole square divided by x cube. Let's see whether it will work or not. So see everyone, over here, this part will become minus half. So minus half into x square and 1, 2 will get cancelled. We are going to get minus half into minus half into e to the power 2x by x. Okay, e to the power 2x by x plus half into plus half into e to the power minus 2x by x. Okay, so I think we are getting the same thing. When you take 1 by x common, sorry, 1 by 2x common, within brackets, you are going to get e to the power 2x, sorry, minus 2x minus e to the power 2x upon x. Tell me, we have got the same thing, right, everyone? We are coming back to this step only. Tell me, are people getting? Yes or no? So we'll again take e to the power 2x common, e to the power minus 2x common. Okay. And then we are going to multiply and divide by 4. So multiply by 4. And over here, 1 minus e to the power 4x upon 4x. So this will give us minus 2. Tell me, Onini, have you understood? Oh, Onini gave the answer of part 3 only.
Yes, sir. You said it's wrong.
Okay, okay. You used, what did you use?
So first method.
First method. Okay. Tell me. Oipsha, is it clear? Oipsha, Ritam, Devang, Raktim, is it
Yes, sir.
clear? Shomita, Devatri, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Everyone try this out. Question number 4, part 1. 4 only. Question number 4. Limit x tends to a, x to power x minus a to the power a upon x minus a. Solve. Okay, everyone pay attention. X to power x to power x minus a to the power a upon x minus a. This is also an indeterminate form. So pay attention, everyone. You can directly use L'Hopital. After using L'Hopital, you can directly get the answer. Okay, Ritam, check your answer again. Okay, so everyone, what is the derivative of x to the power x? Tell me. Do people remember how to differentiate x to power x?
So
Yes,
using
Raktim, your answer.
x to the power x
Yes.
equal to y, then
Y equal to x to power x. Then after that, you have to take ln y. Ln y is equal to x ln x. Now you differentiate. When you differentiate, you are going to get 1 by y into y dash is equal to x into 1 by x plus ln x. So everyone, what is y dash? Y dash is equal to y, that is x to power x into 1 plus ln x. Tell me, did you people understand how y dash is equal to x to power x into 1 plus ln x? So let us differentiate, everyone. This will give us limit x tends to a, x to power x into 1 plus ln x upon 1. So when you substitute x equal to a, we are getting a to the power a into 1 plus ln a. Okay, this will give us our answer. Tell me, anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Next, everyone. Question number 5, part 1. Limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x whole to the power 1 by x minus e upon x. Solve quickly. Okay, so everyone pay attention. Like just now, I've taught you the expansion of 1 plus x whole to the power 1 by x. I think you people have forgotten. Just now, I have shown you the expansion of 1 plus x whole to the power 1 by x. So what will we get? We'll get limit x tends to 0. 1 plus x whole to the power 1 by x will become e into 1 minus x by 2 plus 11 by 24x square dot minus e upon x. So see, first e and last e will get cancelled. Okay, coefficient of x is minus half. So the answer is minus e by 2. Tell me, are you people getting? Hello.
Yes, sir. Got.
Okay. Tell me, Abhisha, Onini, Debatri, you people understood?
Yes, so
Raktim,
could you
Ritam,
explain
Samita?
this one?
Yes. Debatri, over here, I have given the expansion of 1 plus x whole to the power 1 by x. Okay. 1 plus x whole to the power 1 by x will be equal to e into 1 minus x by 2 plus 11 by 24x square and dot minus e. Now see, uh, Devatri, over here, first e and last e will get cancelled. Right, tell me, Devatri.
Yes,
First e and last e will get cancelled. And what are you getting? Coefficient of x is minus half over here. We have to check the coefficient of x. So it will become minus
yes,
e
sir.
by 2. Is it clear?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Only have you understood? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next. Number 6. If let a comma b be constants, let a comma b be constants such that limit x tends to 1, x square plus ax plus b upon ln of 2 minus x whole square exists and is equal to L, where L is not equal to 0. Find a plus b plus n. Solve. Question number 7, part 1. Limit x tends to infinity, x plus 6 by x plus 4. Hello, Shwamita, did you understand the previous one?
Yes,
4
sir.
to the power x plus 4. Okay. Part 2. Limit x tends to 0. Tan of pi by 4 plus x. Tan of pi by 4 plus x. Whole to the power 1 by x. Solve. Okay, part 3. Limit x tends to 0. 1 plus tan x by 1 plus sin x whole to the power cosec x. Solve. Part 4. Limit x tends to infinity. Sin 1 by x plus cos 1 by x whole to the power x. Quickly solve, everyone. Yes, Devang, first one is correct. Nini, check your answer again. Oh no, Nini, this is the first one, right? It's correct.
Yes, the first one.
Okay, Shwamita, check your answer again. Okay, let us start, everyone. Let a b be constant such that limit x tends to 1, x square plus ax plus b upon ln of 2 minus x whole square exist. So we need to understand when will it exist. Pay attention. Okay. So limit x tends to 1, x square plus ax plus b upon ln of 2 minus x whole square. Okay. Now over here, pay attention. Ln of 2 minus x whole square. Let me see. Yes, ln of 2 minus x whole square. Okay, pay attention everyone. I need to I need to understand whether it is an indeterminate form or not. So when you substitute x equal to 1, you're going to get 1 plus a plus b by 0. Okay. So can I say that the limit only exists? Limit over here will exist.
Fourth part of question number 7 once.
Okay. Limit over here exists. Okay. When the numerator, that is 1 plus a plus b, will be equal to 0. Are you getting everyone? Until unless it is 0 by 0 indeterminate form, okay, we cannot say that the limit exists or not. Okay. So 1 plus a plus b has to be equal to 0. Okay. Tell me, are people getting? If you are not getting, let me know. Tell me, Aisha, are you getting this? Aisha, Devank, Raktim, Ondeni, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Shamita, Jabatri, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So over here, limit only exists when 1 plus a plus b is equal to 0. Now see everyone, over here I have to convert it into standard form. So it has to be ln 1 plus x by x, right? So can I write it as limit x tends to 1, x square plus ax plus b upon ln of 1 plus 1 minus x whole square. Okay. So everyone, it is ln 1 plus theta. So it has to be divided by theta square. Okay. So it has to be 1 minus x whole square. Now 1 minus x whole square in the numerator will be equal to x square minus 2x plus 1. So when you compare it with x square plus ax plus b, when you compare with x square plus ax plus b, you will find that a has to be equal to minus 2 and b has to be equal to 1. If a equal to minus 2, b equal to 1, a plus b plus, and then limit will be equal to, everyone pay attention, the limit will be equal to 1, right? So limit x tends to 1, x square minus 2x plus 1 upon ln of 1 plus 1 minus x whole square. Okay, this will be equal to 1. So everyone, a plus b plus l will be equal to 0. Tell me, are people getting? This is how a plus b plus l will be equal to 0. Okay, next. Everyone solve the next ones. These are very easy, everyone. All are 1 to the power infinity form. So underneath the latest answer which you sent, acha, okay, that was the answer of number 6, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so everyone pay attention. These are all very easy. Why is it taking so long? So everyone, this is 1 to the power infinity form. How to solve 1 to the power infinity form? How to solve 1 to the power infinity form? Pay attention. These are all very easy. Yes, Oipsha, your answer is correct. Wait a minute. Shomita, also your answer is correct. Okay, pay attention. Part 1. Okay, for part 1, its limit extends to infinity. I think this is the answer of part 1 or part 2.
So one.
No, check it again. You are making some mistake. Pay attention, everyone. This is 1 to the power infinity form. Okay. After that, you don't need to do anything. You just have to apply the standard form. This will be equal to e to the power. Limit x tends to infinity. X plus 4 into x plus 6 by x plus 4 minus 1. So what are we getting, everyone? This will be equal to e to the power limit x tends to infinity. X plus 4. Now see, everyone. X plus 4 is getting cancelled. X plus 4 is getting cancelled. Okay, anyways, let us simplify first. X plus 4 into x plus 6 minus x minus 4 upon x plus 4. So see, everyone, these two will get cancelled. We are getting e square. Tell me, anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Plus x minus x will get cancelled. Next part 2, pay attention. Again, see, is it 1 to the power infinity form? Yes or no? Tell me, everyone. Is it 1 to the power infinity form? When you substitute x equal to 0. Tell me. Hello. Are you people
Yes, sir.
there? Is 1 to the power infinity form?
Yes.
So again, apply the same thing. This will be equal to e to the power limit. This is 1 to the power infinity form. E to the power limit. X tends to 0. Okay. 1 by x into f minus 1. That is 10 pi by 4 plus x minus 1. Okay, let us simplify. This will be equal to e to the power limit x tends to 0. 1 by x into 1 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan x minus 1. Let us simplify. This will become e to the power limit x tends to 0. 1 by x, 1 plus tan x minus 1 plus tan x. So it will become 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan x. Now what is tan x by x? Tan x by x will become 1. Okay. So finally you are going to get e to the power 2 by 1 plus 0. That is 2. I'm getting e square also. So second one is also e square. Tell me, anyone having any doubt, you can ask me now. Feel free to ask everyone. Tell me, Ritam, is it clear? Ritam, Raktim, Devang, Onini, Avipsha, Debatri, Shomita, did you people understand? Tell
Yes,
me.
sir. Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. Part 3 I'm solving. Limit x tends to 0, 1 plus tan x by 1 plus sin x into cosec x. So again, we have an indeterminate form. Let us start. 1 to the power infinity form. So over here, what are we getting? E to the power limit x tends to 0, cosec x into 1 plus tan x by 1 plus sin x minus 1. So this will become e to the power limit x tends to 0 cosec x into 1 plus tan minus 1 minus sin, that will become tan x minus sin x by 1 plus sin x. Next, cosec x into tan x will become e to the power limit x tends to 0. Cosec x into tan x will become sec x minus 1 by 1 plus sin x. Next, when you substitute x equal to 0, numerator is 0, denominator is 1. So this will become e to the power 0, which is equal to 1. Tell me, anyone having any doubt in any step, let me know. Part 4, quickly solve. Yes, last one, anyone has solved it? Okay, pay attention, everyone. limit x tends to infinity, sine 1 by x plus cos 1 by x whole to the power x. Pay attention, everyone. This is part 3. So again, when you substitute x equal to infinity, what are you getting? Again, 1 to the power infinity form. So this will become e to the power limit x tends to infinity. Okay, x into sine 1 by x plus cos 1 by x minus 1. So everyone, this will become e to the power limit x tends to infinity. Okay, x sine 1 by x plus x into cos 1 by x minus 1. Okay, so see everyone, let us convert everything into standard form. This one will become 1 only. Okay, but for x into cos 1 by x minus 1, it should be x square. So multiplying by x, dividing by x. Okay, this will become 0. So you are going to get e to the power 1. That is e. Tell me, are people getting? If you are unable to understand, ask me. I'll explain. Tell me. Tell me, Raktim, did you understand? Raktim, Devank, Ondini, Vaipsha, Devatri, Ritam, Shwamita, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Next. Another question. Question number. Okay, very soon I'll complete limits. Question number 8. Part 1. Find limit x tends to infinity. 2 tan inverse x by pi whole to the power x. Part 2. Limit n tends to infinity. A minus 1 plus nth root of b by a whole to the power n for a greater than 0, b greater than 0, and n belongs to natural numbers. Part 3. Limit x tends to infinity. 1 to the power 1 by x plus 2 to the power 1 by x plus 3 to the power 1 by x plus dot 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 plus n to the power 1 by x. The whole thing is divided by n whole to the power nx. Solve. Okay, let us start one by one, everyone. 2 tan inverse x by pi whole to the power x. When you substitute x equal to infinity, yes, tell me, Devank, you are saying something.
Yes, I have sent the answer.
Okay, let me see. What about others? Others also send your answer. What happened? Andini, are you there? Are you solving?
Yes, I'm trying.
Or you are tired? Tell me.
No, sir.
Andini? No. Okay. What about Raktim? Raktim, are you tired? Are you solving or
No, sir,
not?
trying. So,
Okay. Yes, Shamita, right answer. And Devank, your answer is correct. Devank, next one is also correct. And tell me, Ritam, are you solving? What happened? Ritam,
Yes, sir.
Dabatari, Aisha, are you solving?
Yes, sir, I'm trying. Yes, sir.
Okay. Solve. Yes, only right answer. Okay. I'm starting to solve number one. Pay attention, everyone. It is 1 to the power infinity. So let us solve. Part one. It will become limit x tends to infinity. Okay. Sorry, e to the power limit x tends to infinity. G into f minus 1. That is x into 2 tan inverse x by pi minus 1. This will be equal to e to the power limit x tends to infinity. Okay. X into 2 tan inverse x minus pi by pi. Okay. So let me see. If you take 2 common, okay, I think some things will come. Let's see. Limit x tends to infinity. Taking 2 common outside. 2x into tan inverse x minus pi by 2. Okay. Divided by pi. So do it. Tan inverse x minus pi by 2. What is tan inverse x minus pi by 2? Tell me, everyone. Minus cot inverse x. E to the power limit x tends to infinity. 2x into minus cot inverse x divided by pi. Okay, now what is x cot inverse x? Tell me. When x tends to infinity. Moreover, let us convert it into tan inverse 1 by x. So it will become e to the power limit x tends to infinity minus 2x tan inverse 1 by x divided by pi. So everyone, x tan inverse 1 by x will become 1. And so you are going to get e to the power minus 2 by pi. Tell me, anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. This will become e to the power minus 2 by pi. Next, everyone solve part 2. Okay, so which is the right answer? Yes, on any right answer? Okay, everyone, let us start. The same way you have to do it. E to the power limit n tends to infinity. Same way you have to do it. Again, we have got 1 to the power infinity form only. So let us apply. It will become e to the power limit n tends to infinity. Okay, n into a minus 1 plus nth root of b divided by minus 1 whole to the power. Okay, g into f minus 1. Yes, Rhythm check part 3. So this will become e to the power limit n tends to infinity n into a minus 1 plus nth root of b, that is b to the power 1 by a minus 1 minus a by a. So a and a will get cancelled. Okay. And finally, you are going to get b to the power 1 by a minus 1 upon a. Okay. Wait a minute. Let me see. Yes. So this will become e to the power limit n tends to infinity. Sorry, this is b to the power 1 by n, not 1 by a. This will become n into b to the power 1 by n minus 1 multiplied by 1 by a. So this will become ln b. So it is e to the power ln b. The whole thing is divided by a. Right, Ritam, are you getting? Tell me. Ritam,
Yes, sir.
Devatri, Raktim,
Yes, sir.
are the people getting? This will become e to the power ln of b to the power 1 by a, which will become b to the power 1 by a. Tell me, anyone having any doubt, you can ask me now. Solve part 3, everyone. Okay, so everyone pay attention. Okay, so you have to keep on converting them into standard forms. First of all, see, this is 1 to the power infinity form. Part 3. Okay, so this will become limit x tends to infinity. This will become e to the power limit x tends to infinity. Okay, nx into 1 to the power 1 by x plus 2 to the power 1 by x plus dot 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 plus up to n to the power 1 by x divided by n minus 1. Okay, so see, this n and n will get cancelled. This will become e to the power limit x tends to infinity nx into 1 to the power 1 by x plus 2 to the power 1 by x okay plus 2 to the power 1 by x plus dot 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 plus n to the power 1 by x minus n divided by n. Okay, so see, this n and n will get cancelled. Okay, and you are getting e to the power limit x tends to infinity. Okay, x into, now see, you keep distributing, like see, this n, you keep distributing one n's with each and every term. Okay, so it can be converted as x into 1 to the power 1 by x minus 1. Tell me, are you people getting? Yes or no? Plus 2 to the power 1 by x minus 1 plus 3 to the power 1 by x minus 1 plus dot 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 plus n to the power 1 by x minus 1. Tell me, are you people getting? Yes or no? Hello? Tell me, everyone. Are people getting this? This will
Yes.
become
Yes.
e to the power
Yes, sir.
e to the power ln1 into ln2. Sorry. Plus ln2 plus ln3 plus dot 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 plus ln n. This will become e to the power ln n factorial, which is equal to n factorial. Tell me, are you people getting? Tell me, everyone. Has everyone understood this one?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, our next concept is built-in limit. Pay attention, everyone. Our next concept is built-in limit. Built-in limit. So what is the concept behind built-in limit? Pay attention. So suppose f of x equal to given in terms of limits. F of x equal to limit n tends to infinity x to the power n. Okay. So everyone, if I ask you to find out f of half, what is f of half? What is f of half? You see, f of half will be equal to limit n tends to infinity half whole to the power n. Right, tell me, everyone. F of half will be equal to limit n tends to infinity f of half, half whole to the power n. Now what is half whole to the power n? This will be equal to 0. So everyone, if f of x equal to limit n tends to infinity x to the power n, okay, then f of x will be equal to, can I say f of x equal to 0 when x lies between -1 and 1? That will be equal to infinity when x is greater than 1. For example, f of x equal to limit n tends to infinity cos pi x minus x to the power 2n into sine of x minus 1 divided by 1 plus x to the power 2n plus 1 minus x to the power 2n. Okay, so over here I want to find out limit x tends to 1 f of x. Tell me, Devank, are you getting? This is the
Yes,
question,
sir.
and I'm asked to find out limit x tends to 1 f of x. Now, since we are asked to find out limit x tends to 1 f of x, okay, then you have to define the function around 1. Okay, what will happen when x is greater than 1 and what will happen when x is less than 1? Okay, so here we need to know the expression. Here we need to know the expression. We need to know the expression for f of x for x greater than 1 and for x less than 1. Okay, so can I say for x greater than 1 what will happen? Acha, for x less than 1. For x less than 1, this part is gone. Tell me, are people getting? Hello, tell me everyone. For x less than 1, this term is gone, this term is gone, and this term is gone. Right. So for x less than 1, f of x will be equal to cos pi x plus 0 divided by 1 plus 0 minus 0. This will be equal to cos pi x. Okay. This is what we'll get for x less than 1, f of x. Okay. Next, what will happen when x is greater than 1? For x greater than 1, see, this is tending to infinity. This is tending to infinity. This is tending to infinity. So what you have to do is you have to divide by x to the power 2n. Let us divide by x to the power 2n. So everyone, can I write f of x as for x greater than 1? Can I write f of x is equal to cos pi x divided by x to the power 2n minus sine of x minus 1 minus sine of x minus 1 divided by 1 by x to the power 2n plus x minus 1. So everyone, f of x will be equal to, this is limit x tends to infinity, limit n tends to infinity. Okay, so I can say f of x will be equal to minus of sine of x minus 1 upon x minus 1. Tell me, did you people understand how to find out the values of f of x? I mean, how to define f of x around x equal to 1? Tell me, did you people understand? Hello, tell me, are you people getting?
Yes.
Okay, so everyone, what do we get? F of x will be equal to cos pi x when x is less than 1, and it will be equal to minus of sine of x minus 1 upon x minus 1 for x greater than 1. So everyone, if I ask you what is limit x tends to 1 plus f of x, tell me, raise your hand. What is limit x tends to 1 plus f of x? Tell me. Yes, Raktim, tell me. Limit x tends to. Huh?
-1.
-1, correct. And somebody tell me what is limit x tends to 1 minus f of x? Raise your hand. Tell me. Only Raktim is raising the hand. What happened? 1 minus, you have to be in which branch? Hello. Okay, Raktim, tell me.
So -1.
-1. What happened, Onini, Abhipsha? You people didn't understand limit x tends to 1 minus cos pi x will be equal to -1. Tell me. Ritam, Shwamita, did you people understand? Devatri and Devang.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. If so, over here, does the limit exist or not?
Yes,
Okay. Over here, limit x tends to 1, f of x exists. Okay. Okay, so everyone try this out. Question number 9. If f of x equal to limit n tends to infinity, tan pi x square plus x plus 1 whole to the power n sin x upon x square plus x plus 1 whole to the power n. Okay. Find limit x tends to 0, f of x. Solve. And last question, question number 10. Limit x tends to 2, fractional part of x plus 1 upon box of x by 2. Okay, these are the last two problems. Everyone try this out. Okay, question number 10, part 1. Part 2. Limit x tends to 0, e to the power x minus 1 minus x upon x square. Quickly solve everyone. These are the last two problems. Yes, Raktim, your answer is correct. Only part 1 is correct. Devank, number 9 is correct. Only 9 is correct. Yes, Ritam, number 9 is correct. Ritam, this is the answer of number 9, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Raktim, number 10 is correct and part 1. Okay, Vipshit, this is the answer of number 9 or 10 part 1.
So 10 part 1.
So 10 part 1 is correct. Okay, so everyone see. First one, number 9. Okay, limit n tends to infinity. So everyone, we need to define the function around 0 because around 0, okay, this x plus 1 can be greater than 1 and can be less than 1. Okay, so for x greater than 0, for x greater than 0, what are you getting? F of x will be equal to. So we have to divide by x plus 1 whole to the power n. F of x will be equal to tan pi x square upon x plus 1 whole to the power n plus sin x divided by x square upon x plus 1 whole to the power n plus 1. So, so everyone, this is limit x tends to 0. X limit x tends to 0 plus. So everyone, this will become sin x. Next, for x less than 0, f of x will be equal to. f of x will be equal to, for x less than 0, x plus 1 whole to the power n is gone. Only you'll get 10 pi x square upon x square. Okay. So everyone, what is LHL? LHL will be equal to limit x tends to 0. Okay. X tends to 0, 10 pi x square upon x square. Okay. So let us multiply, let us convert it into standard form, multiplying then dividing by pi. This part will become 1, you'll get pi. Tell me. Are people getting? Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. X tends to 0 plus. For x tends to 0 minus. Sorry, this is 0 minus only. So RHL will be limit x tends to 0 plus. Okay. Sin x, which will become sin 0. Sin 0 will be equal to 0. Okay. So over here, since LHL is not equal to RHL. Okay. So limit does not exist. Okay. Everyone try 9 part 1, I mean 10 part 1. Yes, Ritam, your answers are correct. Okay. Everyone, I'm solving. Pay attention. Okay, pay attention, everyone. 10 part 1. Okay, over here, let us find out left hand limit and right hand limit. Over here, left hand limit at 2. LHL, limit x tends to 2 minus. What is limit x tends to 2 minus? For 2 minus, fractional part of x will be equal to 1. Fractional part of x will be equal to 1. So you'll get 1 plus 1. Wait a minute. Over here, see, you are getting x minus 1 plus 1 divided by box of x by 2. Okay. That will become 2 by 0. That means not in domain, right, everyone? Over here, x tends to 2 minus 1. 2 minus is not there in the domain. Okay. So LHL does not exist, everyone. Okay, LHL does not exist. So only one side of the limit will exist, everyone. Right. So over here, are people getting, everyone? This is the concept of one side limit. Over here, limit x tends to 2. Fractional part of x plus 1 upon box of x by 2. Tell me, everyone. Are people getting? Only 2 plus will exist. Limit will be only the right hand limit. X tends to 2 plus. Fractional part of x will become 0. So 1 upon 1. That is 1. Tell me, Andini, Raktim, Devang, did you people understand? Left hand side of 2. Okay. Left hand side of 2 is not there in the domain. So there is nothing to compare with. So only the right hand side of the limit is there. Are people getting? Tell me. Devang, Raktim, Ritam, Shamita, Aipsha, or Nini?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Next part 2. Okay, last one I'm solving, everyone. Pay attention. E to the power x minus 1. Send. You sent it. Yes, your answer is correct.
Show the solution of part 1 once.
Yes. Pay attention.
Yes, sir, done.
Okay. Okay. So part 2. Limit x tends to 0. E to the power x minus 1. Minus x upon x squared. So should I differentiate it twice? Let us differentiate it twice. This will become e to the power x minus 1 upon 2x. Let's differentiate it once again. E to the power x upon 2. So substitute x equal to 0, you'll get half. Is it clear to everyone? Tell me. Tell me, Ipsha, Nini, Devatri, Devank, are people getting?
Yes, sir.
Ritam, Shamita?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So till now, anyone having any doubt? Tell me. I think by the next class, I'll complete this chapter. I start with continuity. Okay. Thank you, everyone, and good night. That's everything in words.
Thank you, sir.
Good night, sir.
Yes, thank you, and good night,
Good
everyone.
night.
Yes.